Right, Teleo dear champs, and happy AirPods Max day. And yes, AirPod Max in this bag here. I went down to the Apple store. All the in-store stock is gone now. So they had a certain amount of stock for in-store that you could pick up. You know, you could order it this morning. All gone now, all right? So you're going to be waiting 12 to 14 weeks for these things. Make sure you update everything. Update your iPhone, update your Macs, because these things will not work unless you update the system. So yes, I went down to High Point store. And by the way, you want to subscribe because these are the space grey ones or the dark grey ones. I do have the blue ones, so make sure you subscribe because I will compare them to the blue ones. I do have the blue ones in tomorrow. So I went down to the Apple store today. It's chockers. It is chock-a-block full of people, you know, buying Christmas stuff, etc. And I was lucky enough to pick these up. Unfortunately, I had to wait for the other model to come in, but we'll unbox these things. And I actually went to the Samsung store. Yeah, they had like a barrier for the queue. Very ambitious at the Samsung store because there weren't any people going to the Samsung store, but Apple store absolutely just chaotic. It's out of control how many people are at the Apple store, and so many people are picking up products. It looks like the Apple Watch bands are the biggest seller because I saw so many Apple Watch bands like being picked up. It's not funny. So here's the box. These are the dark grey version. Of course, I will have the blue in tomorrow. There you can see, you know, Wonder Woman's bionic bra there. And yeah, smart case, whatever. It looks nice. Always Apple stuff is, you know, minimalistic, packed nice, looks good. Let's open the box. Oh, I love that. Oh, the anticipation. Woof. There we go. So we'll just put that back there for a sec. And look at that. Nice. So these have, okay, a covering on the sleeve there. I actually had a look in store at all the colours. I say the blue's the way to go. It looks really nice, the blue, but this is how it's packaged. They're the headphones and the bra, of course, or should I call it a bra? What is it, a case? What do they call it? Smart case, that's what it's called. Of course, we get some literature there, and I ripped again. No Apple stickers. Then we have the normal, just, you know, USB-C to Lightning. No charger, of course. Well documented. Everybody says there's no charger. That should be no surprise. That's just how it is. So let's open this. Just open that sleeve up and woof. Oh, look at that. I gotta say, they do look well engineered. Oh, look at that. Bit of action there. That feels nice, I guess. Yeah, that feels nice. We'll take off these protective cups. C cups, of course. And one of these come off. I love that. I do love that. That is so cool. Do you just, oh man, that is so good. And there you have it. In all its glory. This is a HDR video, so yeah, you might want to check it in HDR. If it looks blown out, this video, that means you're trying to look at a HDR content with an SD screen. It is a nice finish. They're not matte, they're a bit shiny, if anything. And this, yeah, it seems nice and sturdy. Of course, you have the crown there, just like your watch sort of thing, and then you have the noise cancellation there. So let's have a look at this smart case. Just take the packaging off. And there you have it. There's the smart case. And they just go in there pretty easily. Yep. Which way? This way? Yeah, this way. You have to do them. They're only going one way. That's it. There you go. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. I would get Apple Care with these because, yeah, there's a good chance you'll damage them, and really this is just for scratch protection. And yeah, I don't know how well these will hold up in a bag or whatever, but you're supposed to put it near a device and it should start working. Let's put it near the M1 Mac and nothing's happening. Now let me grab a phone then. Of course, this phone has been updated. Well, there you go, look at that. Woof, it just popped up. Now, it didn't do it with my Mac. Nothing popped up on the Mac there, the M1 Mac. But with this, it did. We connect those. And we're off to the races. We are ready to go. Giddy up, giddy up. Noise cancellation button is telling you, yep, that's nice. and on the right here it says media control, and you push it down for pause. You can turn it for volume, and yeah, that's about all you need to know. So it wouldn't work with the Mac straight away, and you can, you know, control it in Control Center. It's saying here, there you go, the volume, etc. in Control Center. Spatial audio, that's cool. Place your AirPods on your head to try spatial audio. Not now, we won't try it out. 84% battery, and we're ready to go. We're ready to rock now. That is as simple as it is to connect them. Alright, so I am actually recording a voice memo. I should be using the mics on the actual AirPods Max, and I have them on at the moment. Now, one thing I could say is that noise cancelling, oh my God. I've got the echo on now. You can probably, no, you won't be able to hear it. Maybe you can through the mic, I'm not sure. But it is so quiet, and I actually don't like it when there's no noise in them. It actually feels too quiet. It just feels like you're in a vacuum, and yeah, you can sort of feel like your pulse going through your ears. It's just, yeah, it's a bit weird. So, but the noise cancellation is amazing. So I'm just going to listen to something, and then I'm going to try something else. We'll see how we go. All right, so I don't want to actually put this on for too long, but the spatial audio is amazing. I don't want to get copyright striked. The sound is amazing with this movie. Woof, it is good. Right, so I actually had the air conditioner on before when I was testing the audio with that movie, so sorry about that. That's how good the noise cancellation is. They're a good solid product, and when you think about it, they've got two H1 processors in them. 10 core processors, one in each ear. It doesn't have the U1 chip, which is a bit strange, but it does have two 10 core processors. So you can imagine what sort of processing these things can do with that sort of power. It's going to know whether your seal's good or not. It'll be able to tell with all the microphones, etc. And no matter what situation you're in, it should be able to process the audio. So it's really good high quality listening wherever you are, whatever noise situation you're in, etc. So yeah, more to come. The full review will come. They are a nice little package here. They cost $900 in Australia, all right? So that's about $70 more than what you guys pay for it in the US, $70 US more. So yeah, you know, they're super expensive here. Are they worth it? Well, I don't know. That's up to you to decide. But full review coming soon. I will compare it to the blue one tomorrow. Catch you in the next one. Tally ho.